Hello, this is Mark Ollinghouse with My Service Builder. Show you a few things about moving around inside the application. This time I want to talk about this little bell that shows up in the upper right hand corner. It has a dot on it right at this point in time. That means there's a new message behind there. If you click on that bell, it'll open a window down the side of your browser. Shows you notifications, invitations, whatever these, under notifications, those are things that the system is telling you in an automated fashion. Announcements, however, are things that come from me. These are changes that we've made to the program. Here we added a video to the login screen with illustrations. That's interesting. I'll have to correct that spelling. On setting up your estimator subscription, added a method to sort jobs alphabetically. We can see that right over here. POW. You can look in there anytime you want. These will stay there for some time. These go back 10 days ago. But every time we make a change, every time we update, like here is scheduled maintenance. I'll probably pull that off as soon as I'm done with this video. Oh, no, I won't. It's going to take place today. So this evening at 9 o'clock, the estimator is going to be unavailable. Actually, it'll still be available. It might just be a little more sluggish than you would like it to be. But I thought I'd show you that. Also here, underneath the next one over, is your profile, subscriptions, all that kind of information. Support. If you need me, click support. Put whatever problem you're having in there and type a message, hit send. I'll get that quickly right in my email. That's probably the best way to get a hold of me. The phone, boy, if I don't have your phone number in my system, it comes across my ringer. I typically don't even answer it because there's so many spam calls out there. I wait and see what the message says. So probably the best way to get a hold of me is that support button right there. Thanks for your time.